Hey guys, Shawnee here with a quick video description of the Nike Air Raid. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the shoe. So here we have the right shoe. Let's take a look at the midsole. Shoes are brand new and in very near dead stock condition. There's nothing wrong with the shoe itself. The shoe itself is perfect. And midsole on the other side. These shoes were originally released in 1992 and they're designed by Tinker Hatfield, who is one of the most legendary shoe designers of all time. Let's go ahead and look at the upper. It's got this really nice black tumbled leather. You see way up here, and it has these mesh vents on the side and on the top. Let's go to the other side. Yeah, the tumbled leather, the vents. On the toe, it has this gray suede material. And then moving up the shoe, you have these nylon straps that come across, and they end in these Velcro straps on either side. On the outside, it says Air Raid. You can see Nike Air stitched on the tongue there, the Flint gray. This is the black Flint gray and white OG colorway. Here's the heel. It's suede. This is for outdoor use only. It's the heel tab. And then on the inside, you can see the Nike Air symbol and size 11 sticker. Let's go ahead and go to the other shoe. Let's again start with the midsole. Go around to the other side. They're in very near dead stock condition because, let's look at the leather, because it doesn't have the top of the box. The retailer that I bought the store at, the retailer that I bought these shoes at, they take off the tops of the boxes. As you can see, it's kind of ripped off there. But I will send it double boxed. Let's take a look at the soles. As you can see, there's no dirt, no scuffs. And let's take a look at the box. Comes with, still has the original Nike tag on there, the original suggested retail price. So the buy it now price is less than the suggested retail price, so you guys are getting a good deal on a really good shoe, and hopefully you guys get it at auction so you get an even better deal. Alright, you guys, have fun, happy bidding.